Welcome to Section 9, Flow Control Statements. Up until now, our programs have executed sequentially, meaning one line after the other. Flow control statements give your program the power to make decisions and repeat actions, moving beyond simple, linear execution. This is what makes programs flexible. 1. Sequential flow. This is the default mode. Instructions are executed in the exact order they appear, from top to bottom. Every program we have written so far has followed sequential flow. 2. Conditional flow. This allows the program to execute a specific block of code only if a certain condition is true. It is the program's way of asking a question, like, if the user is logged in, then show the profile page. This is handled by if, elif, and else statements. 3. Iterative flow. This allows the program to repeat a block of code multiple times. This is perfect for tasks like processing every item in a list or running a process until a condition is met. This may be handled by for and while loops. To summarize, understanding these three types of flow control, sequential, conditional, and iterative, is important. We will now learn the first type of flow control, conditionals. Our next lecture 0902. If-else syntax. See you there.